The futuristic flight of drones, transforming industries from skies. Welcome to an exciting journey overhead, where drones are not just machines but game changers. Imagine a future where drones seamlessly weave into the fabric of our lives, revolutionizing the way we live, work, and celebrate. Let's explore the soaring evolution of drones across key industries. In the world of logistics, drones are becoming the new delivery norm. Gone are the days of waiting for packages or goods on the ground. With their nimble speed and GPS precision, drones are a logistics powerhouse, capable of delivering items to the most specific locations, bypassing traditional hurdles. These flying carriers excel in reaching remote areas, ensuring faster deliveries straight to your doorstep. They're also eco-friendly, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and minimizing carbon footprints. Industry leaders are investing in drone technology to cut costs and improve efficiency, redefining what we expect from delivery services. Imagine your wedding day captured from the skies. Drones are the avant-garde of wedding photography, offering breathtaking aerial views that ordinary cameras simply can't. They add a cinematic quality to your special day, capturing moments from a unique panoramic vantage point. Drones glide effortlessly over wedding venues, creating stunning videos and photos that encapsulate the day's magic. Photographers and videographers leverage drones to enhance storytelling, offering couples a creative way to relive their cherished memories. This innovation is setting new standards in wedding documentation. Farmers are turning to drones as essential partners in agriculture. These aerial devices are transforming crop management with unmatched precision and efficiency. Drones scan vast fields, determining where pesticides should be sprayed and assisting in crop monitoring, allowing farmers to optimize yields. With multispectral sensors, drones analyze crop health, helping farmers make data-driven decisions. This technology aids in understanding soil fertility, ensuring sustainable farming practices. By monitoring large expanses quickly and accurately, drones are crucial in addressing food security and environmental challenges. In the realm of science, drones offer researchers new perspectives and unprecedented access. With capabilities for aerial surveys, drones facilitate geological studies and environmental monitoring, capturing data that is hard to gather otherwise. They open doors to exploring inaccessible areas with minimal environmental impact. Scientists are using drones to assess natural resource distribution and monitor ecological changes. They provide insights into phenomena like climate change, enabling precise data collection over vast areas. These advancements are crucial for policymaking and environmental conservation. Drones are driving a future where industries are not bound by traditional limits, where access, efficiency, and perspective are elevated. Their applications across logistics, weddings, agriculture, and science herald a transformative era marked by innovation. The sky is no longer the limit, but the beginning. Embrace the future with us and dive into the world of drones. If you're passionate about technology and eager to learn more, like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Stay informed about cutting-edge technologies reshaping our world and be part of the technological revolution.